The Saqqara bird is an ancient artifact that has sparked much debate and fascination among archaeologists, historians, and aviation enthusiasts. Discovered in the Saqqara necropolis in Egypt, this small wooden object bears a striking resemblance to a modern airplane, leading some to speculate that it might be evidence of advanced aeronautical knowledge in ancient Egypt. However, the true purpose and significance of the Saqqara bird remain subjects of ongoing mystery and discussion. The Saqqara bird was discovered in 1898 by French archaeologist Khalil Messaha during excavations at the Saqqara necropolis, one of Egypt's oldest burial grounds. The artifact dates back to around 200 BCE during the late Ptolemaic period. It is a small wooden object, about 7 inches, 18